Hey, what's up guys? So I'm on the Upper Emerald Pool in Zion. Sorry, I forgot where I was for a second. Just been on the road for so long and just looking at things. So this is Zion, and this is the Emerald Pool, the upper one. And I can imagine how beautiful it is in the summertime. As you can tell, I'm here in the winter. Well, towards the end of winter, and there's an iceberg there. So yeah, it's really beautiful. I can imagine all this gray stuff is all treed in, and it's just like amazing. Like if you just look up, yeah, it is pretty cool. You have a little waterfall that trickles down. I would probably come here during the summertime. Definitely a good place to just chill and relax and cool off. Right now, it's 9 o'clock, so the sun's coming out. That's why it's like all beaming in my face. But I can imagine like on a hot summer day just coming out here and chillaxing. And I'm very fortunate that I came out here today. So I just came back from Angel's Landing and decided to just run up it and then run through and then run over here and catch the upper. And I'm gonna check out the lower part right now. So stay tuned. Right now we're heading down towards the lower pool, and there's a couple of steps that you have to take. I was just videotaping how great the rock formations are and everything, and yeah, hopefully make it down safely. Okay, so there's a viewpoint and there's a lower part. Let's go to the lower part. Alright, so when you come to the end of the staircase, you're introduced to this really cool walkway along the cliff. And you have waterfalls that are coming down. Oh, it's amazing. It looks like they do close this trail due to ice falling down and everything, but I just came in time where there's no ice.
Hey guys, I just want to conclude this video. So it just sums up what Zion Park has. It just has a few clips of it. I actually wanted to do the subway, but I didn't have the proper wetsuit or dry suit, and the water temperatures were pretty low with high algae blooms in the water. So, I wasn't able to do that, but I would love to go back again and check that out. And if you guys are ever in Utah, definitely recommend hiking up Angel's Landing. Even though there's probably a permit now that's in place, I would try to grab that as soon as you can and hike up there and enjoy the beautiful views, and the great infrastructure they built to get to the top of the Angel's Landing was amazing too. And just the engineering was pretty cool. And I'll be driving out to Bryce Canyonlands, and I'll be making a video on the Arches National Park in Moab. And if you could just subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, do your thing. Peace.